We're delighted with the software that we get from Siemens PLM. I mean, to the point where we've been using it now for nearly 14 years. It just gets better and better. The great thing is that the Siemens guys will listen to the requirements of their customers, including ourselves, and continue to make the software appropriate to your business and even more appropriate as time goes on. They lay out roadmaps as to how the product is going to be developed. And I have to say, throughout the 14 years we've worked with them, they've stuck to that roadmap. What they say they're going to deliver, they do deliver, and on time, and it benefits the business more and more. It's really important that we're at the cutting edge of available technology. We're constantly looking for new materials, new manufacturing processes, and really what we're trying to do is to go through as many iterations of design ideas as we possibly can. And working with the NX system and Teamcenter enables us a very rapid turnaround and the ability to go through many, many iterations of different design ideas, particularly in our wind tunnel. One of the problems we faced was that when we introduced rapid prototyping, it required the designer to produce a completely closed, clean, solid model of each of the different iterations that he wanted to try in the wind tunnel. This presented a problem for us because this created a bottleneck in the design office with the designer having to produce these very detailed models. Our friends at Siemens PLM came to us and said, we have a solution to that problem, and it was parametric modeling. And they ran a workshop here at Red Bull Racing and taught our designers how to produce solid models with key parameters that were very quickly changeable. So the designer will now produce a single generic model of, for example, a front wing end plate with some key parameters that he can change within seconds. One of the most important things for us is to enable our team of engineers and designers to collaborate with each other. They are designing individual systems on the car. It could be hydraulics or transmission or aerodynamics or electronics, but ultimately it all has to go together on the same car. And the Teamcenter system enables that. So to give you an example, when one of our designers is designing the rear suspension, he can do it with full visibility of the current state of the gearbox. The NX system and Teamcenter, I mean, it spans the entire company, and it's the primary tool that we use for design in the car, whether it's suspension, steering, transmission, hydraulics, electronics, chassis, aerodynamics. All of those aspects of the car are designed using NX, and the data that's generated is accessed by most of the company using Teamcenter. So NX and Teamcenter is absolutely vital to the organization, probably the most important business tool that we use. And I mean, to the point where we refer to the Teamcenter PLM system as being the digital backbone of the entire company.